Here we are back at Cooper's Creek, ready for the trip down to Brighton Bridge again. This is the third time for myself, with a 20th or 30th time for a couple of them. The first time for some. It's about 9 kilometres downriver, about 3 hours. Back at Cooper's Creek again, and down to Brighton Bridge. Got 15 of us today. It should be a great ride. It's July the 2nd, 3rd, something, day after the election, and we've got some excellent weather in the middle of winter. Yeah, definitely July 3rd, Robert. Sunday, July 3rd. Here comes Fred. After they dropped the end vehicles off at Brighton Bridge, Fred allowed us to get an extra probably half an hour by taking a shortcut through the water there. We are getting ready to push off. It's a great trip down to Brighton Bridge. All probably class 1, 1+. I don't know if there's any class 2 rapids on the way, but they're all very similar to this, and fast and fun. We had all different coloured boats on the trip today. You can see there, I've got the GoPro attached to my paddle. Makes a bit extra noise, feedback in the microphone of the GoPro. Enabling me to get shots like this. I'm holding the paddle up in the air here with the GoPro attached. This rapid is a great example of the fun rapids. Cooper's Creek. They're not always that crowded though.
Oh yeah!
We stopped only a few times and did the head count, made sure we had 15 people. It's a lot of people to keep track of.
He's coming right by me!
Showing up again. Note the wooden paddle. This was our break stop, fairly early in the trip. Turned out to be our only stop. We full go. We didn't have our lunch stop. We pushed through to the end to have lunch, which was, I suppose, maybe 2:30, 3 o'clock. A couple of people had fallen in, probably a little bit too cold to want to stand around on the bank. Towards the end of the day, we're lucky to find a spot in direct sunlight. So I would have liked to have stopped more and taken my time a bit more, but I think I was lucky. I felt pretty warm. We all had our wetsuits on, but all different choices of clothing we certainly had. There goes Fred and his green Liquid Logic, brand new that day. There's a bunch of people with Liquid Logics now. There's Lee with his new Liquid Logic. His is about a week older than Fred's, but second hand. Fred's is brand new. Jack and a Liquid Logic. Sharon a Liquid Logic. The Coupe, of course. Liquid Logic Coupe. There's Terry. China Special. Same as me, and a China Special. There goes Roz. And Rod with his fishing rig. Travis with his newish. It's pretty new, about a month old. It's Coupe. These rock formations are all the way along the Thomson.
I'm sorry, Rob. It's tradition.
Travis, uncontrollable.
Good work, Lee.
This trap had claimed, well, at least Terry may have claimed another, I think. I think Jimmy went in here. Jack was the first victim of the Thomson on this day. Got messed up on one of the first rapids, went in. Lee went in a few times, and Terry went in once. Probably a couple others I missed. There's a lot of times today where you could just look up and see all the different colours on the river. And all the different kayaks. Quite pretty. I don't know what these blokes are up to. They had too much energy. I fell behind the pack a bit towards the end and just had a peaceful paddle on my own. Probably about half an hour, I reckon. I was out of sight of anyone. You can hear a lot of water coming through the kayak, but of course, when you're sitting on the kayak, it's just beautiful and quiet. It's a tiny little rapid there. I want to talk to the camera and see. You can't hear me. And this is about near the end. Down to Brightons. Owen made us a fire and we got warm. I sat down and got my feet warm in front of it. Not everyone's in that shot. I think I got a shot of all 15 of us. Hard to keep in one spot. And that was it.